What's up everyone, it's your girl Stephanie, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a bunch of Etsy DIY kits. A lot of y'all know I've been really getting into my crafting lately. Started off with, some beading and macrame, and now I've really gotten into cross stitching a little bit more. I've always loved embroidery, and Etsy is the place to go. I feel like getting into a new craft or a new hobby can be a little bit intimidating because you're not sure what materials to get, the tools that you need, and that's where Etsy really comes in handy because there are so many awesome sellers who put together these kits for you to really see if you want to invest more money into this craft. In terms of like the cost of the individual things within the kits compared with the prices of the kits, it is going to be a bit pricier than if you were to get everything yourself, but you're paying for someone putting all these things together for you, and also you're paying for their designs. And a lot of this, some of these have straight up multi YouTube video tutorials, like really holding your hand step by step. I think we all can agree that this is just the weirdest Christmas of our lives. We're not with the people that we love. We're not exchanging presents really. Like, what presents are useful right now? And all these are like quarantine activities. You can get it just shipped directly to their house. I know that this is late, but hey, it wasn't like you were gonna see them anyways. Just give them a tracking, let them know it's on its way, and then get one for yourself. My graphic designer Jean had this amazing idea. If you both get the same thing, and then you can craft together over Zoom or FaceTime or whatever. So we're gonna be covering macrame, embroidery, crochet, painting, model making, soap making, so many cool kits. So let's get into it. First kit here is actually one that I've had for a while that I need to just dig into. I bought this for myself. This is from ReformFibers, and this is a wall hanging kit. So it's a macrame kit. In this kit, everything is just cut out for you. So you put it into this nice little knot here, and it's perfectly cut out for you. Even the ends are taped off so it doesn't fray, which is so nice. You get the bar that you're gonna hang on, and you get two of these hooks, which is so useful. I've actually already been using these hooks for my other projects. You get a beginner's guide to macrame by Elsie Goodwin. And in this booklet, she really simply shows you how to do all the knots that you need to make this particular project. The photos are in color. They are very clear. In terms of macrame, what's great is that there are so many YouTube videos. So if you just need help like with one knot in particular, you can just look up the knot. So many helpful macrame videos. But if this is what you kind of need to get into it, I think this could be a really good option for you. I love making things that are actually useful in terms of decor or something. Obviously things I enjoy looking at. Macrame is great because you can make coasters and like little ornaments and stuff, and those projects are so easy. I really did want to have these projects done. I don't know how I thought I was gonna be able to do that, or at least some of them done before filming this video, but I have a personal project that I'm currently working on that I need to get done like tomorrow. And that's this little cross stitching project right here. I'm almost done. This is for my nephew Nathan. It's more for his dad, Nikki, because Nathan is like not even 2 years old. But I wanted to make this little Star Wars cross stitch. Pretty much what I have left in this is the detail work, and also there's some text that says, "A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away." So the reason why I'm showing this is, one, this is why I just like couldn't actually do any of these because I really need to get this done before Christmas and like send it. And two, cross stitch is such an awesome craft hobby to get into. It is very straightforward. Once you start getting into it, it's like you can figure things out really easily. There are so many kits for cross stitching that you can get as well. And again, like I said, for all of these or most of these, YouTube videos, man. You look up anything on YouTube. That's straight up how I learned how to cross stitch properly. Okay, after macrame, let's talk about a little bit of embroidery. So I have two different kits here for you. This one is by the TaylorMade, and this is a Blush Buds embroidery kit. In this embroidery kit, you get obviously all the string, you get a hoop, you get a needle, and the actual cloth itself. This is what's cool about getting a kit, is that they will have the design printed out for you on the cloth. This I feel like is a very foolproof kind of design. It is very like, I don't know how you say this, like thread heavy. So it looks like a piece of like tapestry. It could definitely be a beginner design for you. And I believe on the reviews, a lot of the people who left reviews are saying this is their first time ever attempting embroidery. This is one that I really bought for myself. I've been eyeing it for a while. Okay, so this kit is from Kindred Spirit Art Studio. How do I even describe the amount of detail that this person in particular put in their packaging and their like graphics and all these little details. So again, this one comes with your hoop, it comes with your thread and your needle. Really thorough explanation of your embroidery. So you got a little quick guide, and this is something that I would like save, that I'm going to save to refer back to if I don't want to pull up a video or something. So here we have the little lucky cat. This is so cute. The fabric is beautiful, and the fact that they sewed around the entire edge so that it wouldn't be able to fray. So many details. Even over here in this last page in the color guide, just like the previous one, we have a little color guide page here. There's like this little sticky down here that says, remember to separate your threads into 2 or 3 strands before stitching. They literally printed their own sticky note. I feel like this is the first one that I really want to get into because I am keeping this one. Let us get into crochet. These are 2 little things from the Woobles, and it is a crocheted little plushie. You can get different kind of kits, obviously, for different kind of animals. So I got the fox and the chick. So in the fox one, I ordered the crochet needle. So you can order it with or without the crochet needle. So in here you get your thread, you get a little bit of stuffing here, you get a little embroidery needle, like a really blunt one. I feel like this is so called. There's a different name for this needle, but it's just, there's absolutely no point to it. Absolutely. There is a point to it. There's no point on it. And you get some of you get the little eyes in here. And then the most important part is you get a little card with the link with all the instructions. The videos themselves are crazy detailed, and they're broken down into parts. So when you're on the website, you just press next, and then there's another video for the next step and the next step. So you're not in one big video. Intro to crochet plushies right here. I also, in general, I don't know. I felt like this would be a good like gift one, but I want to learn how to crochet. I want to learn how to make that chunky sweater. Okay, I have 2 different watercolor sets. Honestly, I purchased one and then I saw this one, and my sister just loves these animals, so I just had to buy it. So this first one I have here is by MayaXKiwi, and this is the DIY watercolor kit. It's Mr. and Mrs Alpaca. Alpaca. My sister loves alpacas. It's just one of her favorite animals. So I saw this, and you know, I'm not sure if she's gonna want it. If she doesn't want to do it, I will do it, and then I'll give it to her. So in this kit, you get the little watercolor pen, which I think is so cool. So you just put water in there, and then as you can see here, you have all the colors. We have really nice instructions on this page, first of all. Again, beautifully printed. It's all printed on just really nice, this is like, you know, art watercolor paper. We have a page here to test out your colors. and to figure out how you're like doing your gradients and stuff. We have the actual little outline itself. This one just seems like a really nice, straightforward, one and done kind of DIY little project. This one is by PinkPuddleStudio. Follow your art box. That's cute. So this one is different because this is a paint by numbers design. We have this pamphlet here. Again, all the guidance and tips. A very nicely sharpened pencil. And we got this brush. Yeah, this is a really nice brush here. I'm excited to have that. And then this little tin here, which is so stinking cute with your paint inside. Ugh, I don't know why this brings me so much joy. Someone put so much effort into putting these tiny little pots into this little container. There are just so many cute ideas here. Okay, we have 3 more kits here. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm saving the craziest one for last. The like model building one. That one is insane. Okay, not to talk down about these two things. This is very different. So first of all, this is just one that I thought I really wanted to get for myself. This is an Indigo Kit. This is a dyeing kit. That's an indigo dyeing kit. So this is cool. There's this whole pamphlet that says a little bit about indigo and then before with all the instructions here. But pretty much indigo bearing plants are the only natural source of true and clear primary blue. The art of dyeing is something that I would really love to get into. So I purchased this. There's a lot of detail in terms of how to dye and what you get. You get the indigo. Oh my gosh, Josie is snoring right now. You get fructose and you get calx. I definitely want to watch some YouTube videos on how to tie fabrics so that you can get, different designs. I'm gonna buy like a white sweatshirt and like sweatpants set for me and Josie so we can match. Also would love to dye some dish towels. So I want to get some like linen dish towels. Maybe I can find it at like a thrift store or something. I don't know. So until I have gathered all the stuff I want to dye and then watch some videos and stuff, I'm not going to use this kit quite yet. If you're interested in me updating you or seeing me use any of these kits, let me know. I know, I'm really sorry. I wish I would have been able to have time to do this beforehand, but anyways, another kit that we have here is a soap making kit. This one is the Shea butter formula, and in here obviously you get a big 1 pound block of shea butter, which is amazing. Oatmeal powder and something else in there. Oh, there's a fragrance. We got little fragrance bottles in there. We have all the fun like dried toppings on here. I want to make one of those blocks that has all those crazy toppings and then you chop and it looks so cool. All right, y'all, we have come to the finale. One of the craziest things I've ever seen in terms of like a DIY kit. And it is this DIY miniature house. This is Cathy's flower house. It's pretty much making a model of a little house that has working lights, by the way. It's a little greenhouse. There is so much detail in here that I'm really not sure if I'm prepared for it. But first of all, we have this really, really detailed, full color instructional booklet, a 27 page booklet of everything that you need to assemble, including the little plants themselves. Like, there's all these little potted plants and stuff in here. You're making them yourself. I'm really not sure myself how much this is just like clicking things together potentially with the wood pieces, or if it's all gluing. I'm assuming that the wood pieces, or at least some of them, should somehow fit together in a way. I think there are some people who like the idea of this and would like to think that they would enjoy doing it. And then there are the people who would actually do it and finish it, not just like start it and then leave it there for a month and then throw it away. Because I like little tedious little projects. Obviously I love doing needlework and stuff, but this is really next level, and this is not instant gratification. There are so many other designs from them, and honestly, like, I think this one's the most popular one, the most purchased, but they have ones that look like little lofts. There's like a flower shop one, there's a coffee shop one, so many. So I'm gonna try this one out. Yeah, maybe check in on me and see how I'm doing with this. All right, everyone, I think that is it for my Etsy DIY kit gift guide. I apologize, this is so late for a gift guide, but you know what? Just send it to your friend, give them the tracking, I don't know, or just blame it on the mail, blame it on 2020 that it's late. At least they're getting something. But also, buy one for yourself and support a small business. Did I even say this in the intro? I mean, I feel like I alluded to this in that by purchasing one of these kits, you are supporting a small business, somebody who has worked to create these little pamphlets and are putting together these crafts for you. It is so important to purchase these kind of things from sellers, from artists on websites like Etsy. If you're not gonna purchase these kind of things off of Etsy, you know, I'm not perfect. I still buy things from, you know, like Amazon, but in terms of arts and crafts and those kind of supplies, if you're able to purchase it from a local craft store or a local beading store or something like that, please try to do so. I have so many cool kits now. I'm giving away some of them. But damn, should I just start a crafting Twitch channel? Should I try to figure something out so that we all purchase the same craft and then like on a certain day we just get together on like Discord or something and do it together? That'd be cool. That would be cool, actually. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Of course, everything will be linked down below. Let me know if you end up purchasing any of these kits or if you have any you'd like to recommend to me. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.